Hold on, what's going on?
They got something to say.
Sonny Chambers, once again, you gotta believe, disappointing how Sagan.
He had that win. He had the 1-2-3. Had the referee been there, I gotta believe.
Oh boy.
I think Sagan's had about enough of Sonny Chambers.
Oh, what hand is Sagan?
What is he doing?
Chambers just hit Sagan, and I don't think Dave Sagan can believe it. Sagan's in shock.
Oh, everybody's in shock. There comes Schaefer.
Sonny, should I say maybe Red Chambers finally stood up for himself, and now Hal Sagan taking care of Chambers. The match is over.
Oh,
wait a second.
What was that?
Here was Big J back. Big J coming to the rescue. Big J out here.
Big J and Michael Schaefer, they're trading fists.
Now these two going at it. The match is over with. And here comes Mikey. Mikey back. Mikey out to help out Big J. And Schaefer holding his own.
But Schaefer out charging in. One for Big J, one for Mikey B.
And now you see Sagan holding Chambers, and Polly's back now. Polly's back. Huge forearm to Schaefer that rocks him. Superman punch from Big J.
Just what do you think? This six-man tag's all done.
Super
It keeps going.
And again, Big J, Polly, and Mikey be working together, but the story here is Tyler coming to the rescue of Red Chambers. That's right, I called him Red.
Well, you saw Big J there during that match, seemingly trying to almost talk sense into Chambers.
You know, we heard the words from Big J to Chambers earlier saying, "You're still that guy." Is he that guy, though? And now Chambers he just had a match against these guys.
Well, Polly Paparazzi and Mikey B have left the ring, but Big J is he's still in there.
Lots of history here.
Again, these two one-time tag team champions together.
And Big J and Sonny Chambers embracing. Listen to the Addicts. The Sons of Mayhem are living on here tonight.
Oh, look at this.